Yeah guys, we're in Jambi again. Trying to take a little quick rip here by the golf course. Security don't normally want people hanging around on the golf course, especially if they have golfers. But I'm not seeing anybody playing golf, so I think I'm gonna rip a quick couple packs here, and see how it goes. Yeah.